Oh, boy. Oh.
Wow, he's really upset. Hey, BB. Big Bird.
Well, yeah, Poco,
What's the matter, huh?
Well, Poco, I can't fly, that's what's the matter.
You can't fly?
Mm-mm.
Well, maybe you're not a bird.
I am so a bird. Why, I have feathers all over my body. I just can't seem to get off the ground, that's all.
Well, have you tried flapping your wings, huh?
No.
Huh?
You mean flap like that?
Oh, brother. No. You gotta flap hard like this. Watch me now. See that?
You're using both wings at the same time.
Right, you gotta use both wings.
Oh, I could try it that way.
Right. But you also gotta run, so you can take off way up in the way blue yonder, way up there.
Okay, well, that'll be good, because I'll have some speed.
Right.
I'll head on down the sidewalk right now,
Okay.
and I'll come flying back over your head. Here
Ready?
I go. I'll get my wings flapping.
Go.
Off I go. Ooh, Whew, you
What
know,
happened?
I'm not so good at flying, but I'm really great at crashing. What's that?
Hey! There's an airplane up there. Look at that.
An airplane.
Aeroplane.
That just gave me a great idea. Oh, boy. I'll be back.
He'll be back. Oh, boy. Here's the airplane, Bird.
Yes, this time I'm gonna fly, Poco. See, I'm all fixed up just like an airplane. I got wings,
Hey.
just like an airplane,
Look at
and
that.
even a propeller. Look at this picture of an airplane that I followed, see?
Oh.
See the propeller in the front, attached to the nose?
Mhm.
Well, I got one of those. I already had my own tail,
Yeah.
and now I got wings just like an airplane.
Hmm.
You could help, Poco.
How?
In the old days when they started propeller planes, somebody always yelled, "Contact,"
Yeah?
when they started the propeller. Okay, you do that?
Okay. Here I go. Contact! Contact! Big Bird,
Yeah? Am I flying?
that does not look like a plane to me. Doesn't even
I don't
work.
think I'm going to be able to do this way. You know, I don't think I'll ever get off the ground.
Is he? Yeah, it's a nice pigeon.
Hi, kids. Oh,
Hey,
you got your pet
Big Bird.
pigeon, huh? Oh, hi, Luis.
I was gonna sing a song to the pet pigeon over here.
Oh, yeah?
Cuando salí de La Habana, válgame Dios, nadie me ha visto salir si no fui yo. Una linda guachinanga, válgame Dios,
That's pretty.
que vino tras de mí, válgame Dios. Y si a tu ventana llega una paloma, trátala con cariño, que es mi persona. Cuéntale de mis penas, bien de mi vida. Trátala con cariño, que es cosa mía. Ay, chinita, que sí. Ay, que dame tu amor. Ay, que vente conmigo, chinita. A donde vivo yo.
Hey, Luis, your song just gave me an idea. You know, I've been trying to learn how to fly, and if we took a bunch of your pigeons that you were singing about and tied them all together, maybe they could carry me up into the sky. Oh,
Oh,
you lost your balloon.
that's
It went right.
too bad. Bruce.
Hey, that just gave me a great idea. The balloons go up. I gotta go get ready for my big takeoff. Oh, what a great idea. Wow, thanks a lot.
The big takeoff?
Can you get your foot in all right?
Yes, okay.
Okay, you're all aboard.
I'm in.
And I think the old balloon's all ready to take us up. Whew, this is going to be exciting, Maria.
Are you sure about this, Big Bird?
Oh, sure. What could possibly go wrong? Why don't we tell everybody we're going to leave now?
Okay.
Mr. Loper!
Susan!
Louise!
Louise,
Ed,
Mr. Hooper?
everybody!
You're ready to go.
Hi.
We're all set. The old balloon is going to take up now. Anybody want to join us?
I don't think so.
Not me.
Big Bird.
Mr. Loper, how about you?
No, Hooper. No, you ask somebody else. They might enjoy it better.
Well,
Anybody want to talk me out of this?
No, you get to do this one on your own.
well, I guess it's just you and me, Maria.
Sure is.
Well, let's drop a few sandbags and off we'll go. See, I dropped the sandbag and it makes us light enough to go up.
Uh-huh.
How many sandbags you got in there, Big Bird?
Just enough to hold us down, Louise.
Whoa!
Whoa, she's getting lighter.
Sure is.
Try dropping another.
Okay.
Isn't this exciting?
It's moving.
Look, it's starting to move now.
Oh, we're lifting off. We're lifting off.
Go ahead.
Hey, everybody, look.
Big Bird.
Big
Hey, take it easy.
Whoa, we're flying. Oh, look at that. Look how small the people look down there.
Is that Susan?
Yeah, she looks like a little ant.
Sure does.
Wow, this is exciting. Just look at me. I'm way up high. I knew someday I'd get to fly. I'm flying.
You sure are, Big Bird.
Oh, yes, I'm flying. I knew I'd like it, 'cause I had heard there's nothing like it. If you're a bird, I'm flying.
You're flying, Big Bird.
Oh, yes, I'm flying. So pass the birdseed and I'll rip the wrapping. My wings are free, they're not even flapping. I'm flying, I'm flying, I'm flying. I'm higher than high. Spread the word! Big Bird is finally an airborne bird. I'm flying. Oh, yes, I'm flying. Isn't this fun, Maria?
Oh, this is fabulous.
Ah, look, you can see all the way over to Sea Caucus.
Sure can. This is some idea you had, Big Bird.
Ah, I didn't think it would work myself. But here we are.
Look at the tiny ships. They look like toys.
I think those are toys. No, they're real.
Yeah, they're real.
This is the best day of my life.
Here they come.
We're coming down.
Be careful.
Look out below. Get ready,
Make it?
get ready, Marie. We're gonna land.
Yeah?
Hey, whoa, we're safe. We're down.
Hey, how was it, Big Bird?
Oh, Luis, it was terrific. Why, we could see for miles and miles, couldn't we, Maria?
Yeah,
And you
yeah.
know, I felt like a regular flying bird.
Hey, Big Bird, now that you've finally flown, are you happy?
Oh, yeah, I was really happy. But I think I'd be happier if I could fly on my own wings.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters P and U and by the number 12. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.